If you're planning to buy a super budget smartphone and your budget is maximum 9,000 rupees without card offers, then there's a new smartphone called the Infinix Hot 30i. This phone offers seriously a lot of good features, but there are a few cons also. I will tell you about those just in a couple of minutes. So let's start, guys. First with the design. What's crazy about this phone? It comes with the flat frame design that you've already seen almost all the budget phones, even the premium ones. You will find exactly same design like the Galaxy A series, the recent A54, and the back panel is completely plastic, but this is a diamond cut design. I hope you remember this when the Realme 2 first time came. And the camera layout is the ring base, which you already seen on the Samsung Galaxy series. So yeah, the point is the phone feels premium when you hold it, when you look at it. It doesn't look cheap. Like at a glance it looks like around 15 to 20k price segment, but seriously just under 10k, 8999. There is a Infinix branding. Hopefully everything should be plastic. You are getting a right side side mounted fingerprint sensor. Up top there is a volume button, and here you get the dual 4G SIM card plus expandable storage. In the bottom, the type C, the speaker and the headphone jack, and of course there is no noise cancellation mic. The phone feels solid in the hand. Like it's little bit of bulky because there are sharp edges, not very comfortable, but yes, looks cool and looks premium. You can see how the display looks like. Right now it is at the full brightness, and in my review I use this display on the complete full brightness. There is a dewdrop notch which you've already seen on the 2019 in and early 2020. It looks like, you know, clock is rotating back. There are a bit of bezels on every side. Bottom is slightly more, but on this price segment this is the best in class you are getting. Okay, this is the HD resolution, and also it does support the 90 Hz of refresh rate. In my review I use the display on the 90 Hz refresh rate. The viewing angle is good, and it's LCD panel, so colors are like kind of okay, not very bright, but yeah, they are good and viewable from all the indoor outdoor situation. This is the bad part with always with the Infinix phone. By default this phone comes with the Android 12 out of the box. As claimed by the company, you're going to get 2 more years of security update and 1 extra version of Android update. And as of now you can see everything is super old. It's running on the December 5 Android security update. And let's try out if we check with the security update or any update has came or not. As of now there is no update available. So this is the worst part with the Infinix phones. Like I told you, there are few extra hot news as you can see, so you have to customize it. And I just installed Call of Duty and to do and rest all the application that you're seeing, for example Breach, Call Care, Messenger, Palm Store and Snapchat, they all are pre-stored, and you're getting so many notifications from all of these applications. So you have to, you know, remove all these applications one by one. Not all application can be uninstalled. For example, if I go to this Palm Store and something, you cannot uninstall it. 8GB RAM in just 9,000 rupees. Almost all the phones that you can see which are getting under 10k, they are giving you 4GB of RAM. Of course they are 128, 64 expandable. You do get the 128 and the expandable. On the CPU you're getting the Helio G37. This is not the fastest. Yes, Snapdragon 680 also available on this price segment, but whichever phone you're getting with the 680, you're getting the 4GB RAM. In my usage, I did not find any issues so far about all the everyday usage like opening application, using the camera. Yes, camera is a bit of laggy. I will talk about that soon. But as of now, for the performance, it is good. Moving to the gaming section, if you play the game with the default setting which you're getting with the phone, then these phones offer good performance. Like there is no lag at all. But if you just try to play with the frame rate or the graphic setting, you may see some frame drops. So if you play with the default, it's good for you. So right now, as of now, this is the performance king in the price of 10k. On the numbers, you're getting 50 plus 2 MP. Nowadays it is easily possible to get 50 MP on the budget also. And speaking about the photos quality, this is a budget phone, so you cannot expect constant performance always like you are used to see on the Galaxy and the Pixel phone. Here it is a kind of hit and miss. Sometimes it gives you a very good shot, like if everything is correct, lighting and your exposure, your focus, everything good. Otherwise photos are sometimes missing the accurate color, it's not even close to that. And if you don't use the HDR, results are not great. If you use HDR, you're getting better shots also. But yes, on the indoor condition, like on the artificial lighting, it does show you good photographs with the HDR turned on. And of course on the low light, as expected, this is again having the same problem, details are missing, you cannot get the better shot on the low light. But yes, you do have the flash, of course, in all the phones, you can use that thing. On the selfie, you're getting the 5MP selfie, but the best part is that you do have the dual selfie flash on the front. I believe Infinix is the only brand which do offer such kind of features. So if you are making a lot of selfies, taking selfies, making selfie videos, this phone can offer good quality photos to you. Moving to the video part, you can just film maximum 1080p 30fps just like all the other phones. No, there are some few phones like the Lava Blaze 5G on the 10K price segment, you can film 2K, but it has its own cons. Okay, so for the camera, I think it's okay for the price segment. I cannot expect more than that. This phone do comes with the 5000 milliamps big battery. The phone is not too heavy, I believe 191 is the weight of the phone, but yeah, it's okay. It supports type C, of course, and there is a 10-watt charger, so it's gonna take nearly around 2 hours to you to completely charge the phone. Backup is super excellent. In my usage, I easily crossed fifth day. Like today I'm going to cross the 5th day. Right now it is 28%. Still this phone is working super fast. So in terms of battery, the backup is really great, but charging is really very slow because you cannot expect more on this price segment. Should you buy this phone or not? See, there are few things. First, cons, you can obviously see this is a 4G phone, which is I think it's a drawback why companies are launching 4G phones right now. But still, if you have less budget, there is no other choice left. If you're planning to use this phone for at least a year, then I think it's a good phone, because by the time you're going to buy a 5G phone, there will be good specs 5G phone under 10K. But so far in low budget, seriously, there are so many compromises if you're buying a 5G phone. This phone does offer you a good display, a great performance, a great battery backup, decent camera for this price segment, and yes, software is a little let down, but if you're okay with this XOS ROM, then I think it's okay. So in 9K, this phone does has a lot of good features, but only few cons. You just have to see how long you're going to use this phone, and you're looking for 4G, 5G stuff. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. This is Saurabh, and catch you soon.